there. This is Mark at Greenpointe, and welcome to our how-to videos. This is a 3DS, and we also have a, well, actually it's a Trio. It's like a 3DS, but on this one right here, this thing will get clogged up. You have to take this screws off and take this plate off once in a while to clean this tool out, or it's going to get so packed up in there, nothing's going to work. Your motor will just probably hum, and there will be nothing in there. But this is just solid sawdust in there, and this all has to be cleaned out before I can put it back together again. So if you get the chance and you have one of these, take that plate off there and clean these out so the gears and everything will clean out, because this will pack in there. It'll affect your machine and it'll ruin everything, and even cause your belt to break. Yeah, that's probably about it for this one, because you know, you can see it just falling out. But do that on this and the 3DS, and you should have a lot less problems than you would if you didn't. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and hope to get more in the future. Thank you. You gotta keep turning it so more will fall out as you turn it, and just keep vacuuming out until it's all out of there. You don't want to blow it out, because if you blow it out, you're going to get quite the dust cloud, and you won't like that. This is going to have to be, I'm going to have to vacuum this for a little while, keep turning it, and get all that stuff out of there, because the tack is getting between the belt and the pulleys. It's got into everything. Pretty cool, huh? I run into this a lot. And the motor will sit there and hum. It's not turning. Well, nothing up here is turning either, because it's so frozen up with the sawdust in here. Much easier to do it when it's clean. So it's just maintenance is all it is. It's like I always say, if you don't find time for maintenance, your tools will find it for you. This one found it for him. But gotta make sure it's nice and cleaned out before you put anything back together again. This will turn here, and see all the sawdust still coming out all the way around. You can clean this for 20 minutes and it won't be clean, but you just keep turning it and turning it, and more will come out, and it'll pack down there again, and you just get it all out of there and get it out, and you'll be good to go. Thanks again.